So track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today track fans, there is another sad news in the community of athletic. Now this time around is about another Jamaican who has broke the rules of doping. Yes, this athlete is called Christopher Taylor. Now don't get me wrong, it is not as if Christopher Taylor was tested positive. He was never tested positive. But guess what? Guess what happened? What happened was that Christopher Taylor was asked to bring his sample. He was asked for a sample. Now, in case you don't know what sample means, in each time an athlete is asked to bring a sample, it means something that will prove you are innocent, something that will be used that they will use to test whether you are on drugs or not. So Christopher Taylor was like, I'm not gonna give you guys my sample. Why will I give you guys my sample? So Christopher Taylor ended up not giving the athletic officials his sample so that they will know whether he is innocent or not, and this has resulted to him being banned for 30 months. Yes, that is almost 2 years and a half, if I'm wrong. Yes, 30 months is about 2 years. So the reason why I make the title of this video end of his career was that he went to his official Facebook account. Christopher Taylor from Jamaica went to his official Facebook account and he posted this: the end of an era. Now if you are somebody who is very sensible, someone who has sense of humor, then you definitely know that the word end of an era means the end of something, the end of a career, the end of, definitely it means the end of everything you are doing. So this has a reference to his life. I'm beginning to think like Christopher Taylor is trying to let you guys know that probably this is going to be the end of his career. He is giving up, like he is definitely giving up. He has had enough. Yes, and I feel like we should not judge Christopher Taylor because we do not know the reason why he refused to give his sample. Well, I don't know his reason, I don't know why he decided not to give the sample, but I do believe he has his own reasons. So we should just kind of not judge them, we should just believe what we see. Yes, he has been banned for 30 months. For From the information that I heard, he has been banned for 30 months, and it is so sad, track fans, because I do not like reporting about doping situations. I don't like it, track fans, and I'm not somebody who is happy, but you know, I just have to report it because it is what it is. It is what it is at the end of the day. So I hope to see Christopher back. Let me know what you think.